Alexis Southall, and I'm really excited to be teaching at the Mojo Flow Festival in October. It's going to be a great day, some great teachers. I'm very excited to be part of the lineup. I'm going to be teaching Alexis's Wave Shop, which is a bit of a joke. One of my students called one of my workshops a wave shop by accident once, and I really thought the name was very appropriate, so I stole it. We're going to be going through a lot of fluidity in the body, especially some of my signature arm patterns and variations, lots of liquid movement throughout the body. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please come and join me in October. I would love to dance with you, and how wonderful that you can just roll out of bed in your pyjamas and join me. I promise I will wear some actual dance clothes, but you don't have to. How wonderful. I look forward to seeing you then.